The vintage 2018 is the perfect vintage, one of those rare occasions where all the variables and conditions align in order to produce the perfect wine. A wine that is really the highest expression of the terroir. The challenge in the cellar was to make the best out of these perfect grapes, and in the climatic condition we had a very rainy winter that provided the water for the development of the plants and the vineyard. In the spring we had a warm December with dry, so very good condition for fruit set. Then a January that is usually the warm month of the season, we had mild conditions, slightly cooler than the historical average. Then February and March really on the historical conditions, so excellent condition for a long soft ripening where we achieve perfect and complete ripeness of the tannins, but at the same time we kept the acidity, the intensity of the fruit, the color. The final result with the wine is this unique wine that have balance, a perfect balance between power and complexity, power and finesse, power and elegance, something that rarely happens at the same time. That reminds us the best characteristic of the great vintages like 15, with the depth of 15, the elegance of 16, and the structure of 17. A wine that for sure will age for many, many years, but that you can enjoy from today because the tannins are ultra polished and the fruit is there, so with layers and complexity, lots of fruit. So I hope you enjoy. Cheers.
I'm also delighted that James Suckling has recognized a beautiful Segna 2018 and awarded it with a perfect 100-point score. This is a great acknowledgement for Segna and our team in our quest to consolidate the Aconcagua Valley as a world-class appellation.